Hi guys, how are you? I'm Krystina. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. For those of you who've seen me before, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about two of my favorite products that I use for my skin. Anyone who knows me knows I'm very particular about the products I use on my skin. I have very sensitive skin. I try to use more natural products. I think that's way better than the chemically infused products. So the two products I have today are both natural. One of them is a mask and the other one is an oil. The first product I have today is called the Aztec Secret, and this is a face mask. The face mask is super easy to use. It just takes two ingredients: the powder, which is what it comes with, and you can either add water or apple cider vinegar. I prefer apple cider vinegar. There's so many benefits with apple cider vinegar. I actually love to drink it every day, but besides that, externally, it's so good for your skin. It actually levels out the pH balance of your skin and helps tighten your pores as well, which is one of the amazing benefits of the mask. It helps with any acne or blemishes. It also helps with acne scars or any kind of scarring on your face, which is amazing. That's a huge thing. Usually skin peels or any kind of harsh laser or chemicals helps with that, which is so nice. You can use it at home once a week. Decently priced treatment. This only goes for around $7.99, which is awesome. And it's super trendy. I see it everywhere. It's at Urban Outfitters. I see it at CVS. You get it on Amazon. Pretty much everywhere, online, in store. It's awesome at your convenience. And not only is it so good for your skin, but you can use it as a hand mask. If you have an insect bite, you can also put it on there. Helps relieve the itching and lowers the swelling, which is incredible. It also is good for your feet as well. This thing has so many freaking benefits, which is awesome. You only need to have it on your skin for 5 to 20 minutes max. Just says 5 to 15, but I just kind of, depends how thick you put your layer on. I just kind of let it sit till it gets super hard, and then once it is, you just take a warm washcloth and wipe it off or hop in the shower, whatever you have to do to get it off, but super easy. So as I said, it's super beneficial for your skin all over, not just your face, and it's also really price efficient, super cheap, not super expensive, and you could either get the smaller size or the big tub. I got the big tub and it's obviously going to last me a long time, but even the smaller size should last you guys a long time as well, especially for once a week use. I like it with a nice glass of wine and just let the mask sit, and then I take it right off and it's amazing. You can literally feel your skin being super soft after you take it off. I'll leave a link down below if you guys want an easy way to find it. You could just click it right below me and purchase it right there. Super cheap, easy. So the second product I have today is a castor oil. There are so many different brands, but this one specifically is called Pure Adore. It's 100% castor oil. And just in case you didn't know, the most beneficial quality that castor oil has, besides hydrating, is it actually allows your hair to grow. It helps hair grow. So this company specifically, which I bought on Amazon, came in a pack of 3. And it came with the bottle, a little mini bottle with the mascara brush, and also a little mini bottle for an eyeliner. So you can use it for your eyebrows, your eyelashes, and the big bottle you use for your hair. So this specifically I use for the areas which I want it to grow. Like I said before, my eyelashes, my eyebrows, and my hair itself. Now I'm pretty blessed and I have a lot of hair, but sometimes I feel as though the area around my hairline could get thin, especially now that I'm getting older. So sometimes I just stick it in my root. It's nice for a nice scalp massage as well. Super easy to use. What I will do is I will just put the oil in my hands and then I will rub my scalp, especially in the areas as needed. And just to also give my hair a nice treatment, I'll put the oil on my ends as well. So I'll just kind of brush it all through. I usually do this process right when I know I'm about to wash my hair. So I usually wash my hair once a week because my hair is very thick and it gets super dry. So I don't need to wash it often. So I'll do it if I know I'm gonna wash it the night, say tomorrow night I'm gonna wash my hair. Tonight I will do this treatment, I'll sleep in it, and then tomorrow I'll wash it. or if I'll do a couple hours before I have to wash my hair, and it's amazing. My hair has been super shiny. I definitely see the hair growth. My eyebrows have been growing so fast, and my eyelashes. It's incredible. If you guys don't believe me, Google it, check out your reviews, because it's insane how well it works. Like I said, I love this company specifically because it already came with everything included, with your mascara brush, with your eyeliner brush, and it came with a nice big tube for your hair, also for refills. It's amazing. Dry scalp is super common, especially with the season change. So we're going to spring, and allergy season can cause some irritation, so it's awesome for your scalp. A lot of people think that they have dandruff, which is actually dry scalp. So I recommend trying this. Even if you don't have a hair loss problem, it's super great, and who wouldn't want their hair to grow faster? It's amazing. So that I actually do every night before I go to bed. It's part of my regimen for my eyelashes and my eyebrows. So I'll do my skin treatments, and then after I will put my mascara wand of the oil on my eyebrows, and then I will do it on my lashes. And sometimes I'll do it in the morning, depends. Sometimes if I know I'm not going to wear any makeup, I'll put it on just because it makes my brows give it a pop. It's like a clear shine. It kind of darkens the brow and gives it some shape. As far as the treatment for my actual hair on my scalp, like I said, I just do it once a week, or when I know I'm going to shower. It's just a nice hydrating treatment for my hair, my scalp, and allows my hair to grow. So those two products are amazing. Like I said, I'm going to put the links below, so it's super easy to find. If you guys want to check out further reviews, honestly, Google them both. They both are amazing. Highly, highly recommend. Definitely be putting up more videos of more products that I absolutely love and adore. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment, message me. We'll love to answer anything you guys have to ask. All right, you guys, please hit the subscribe button because many more videos are coming. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.